Let's start this question by writing down our square numbers. It's a non-calculated question, so we need to know our square numbers. The fact that 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, and so on. So I'm just going to quickly write these down. 6 squared, 7 squared, 8 squared, 9 squared, 10 squared, 11 squared, and 12 squared. Okay, it says that actually it's one more than a square number. So next to it, I'm going to write that down. I'm going to add 1 to each one. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, 65, 82, 101, 122, 45. Okay, I'm going to cross this column out. It's just to help me get this column. So I've got all the numbers in blue that are one more than a square number. Let's do similar for cube numbers now. So 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1. 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed is 27. You might need to show working for this and figure it out by hand. The thing is, this is only a format question, so expecting you to know your cube numbers. Okay, and those are all of them up to 150. And then 3 less than the cube number, 5, 24, 61, and 122. So I've now written down in red all the ones up to 150 that are cube numbers. So now we can scan down the list and look for where they're in both lists. So these 5 satisfies both, 24 is not in there. Best to just like check if this cube number is in this list. We see that 122 is also in both lists. These are the numbers that are between 1 and 150 that are 1 more than a square number and 3 less than a cube number. However, we're looking for the one that is not a prime number. Now, 5 is a prime number, so that leaves us one option, 122. Can't really see any easy way of doing this without writing down all your cube numbers. Maybe you could write down your cube numbers to start with and do 3 less, and then try and spot like what might be, you might spot at that point that 122 is one more. I think like it's good to be systematic in maths and just check there's not more than one answer, even though it does say it. I think really I'd like to see all this working, these 4 marks.